Archie, are you... I have the worst hiccups right now. I've had them for like the last 20 minutes and they won't go away. We're going to Scotland! Nuh-uh. You could always try mushy peas. Good morning, guys. I'm just on my way home from church. Got some milk from the grocery store and headed home. Mary stayed home this morning and slept. So I took Archie out and we had a good walk. We walk up to chapel ruins kind of out on Arthur's Seat. I think we've shown you in vlogs before, but it was just beautiful. It's like one of those crisp mornings where the sun's shining. It just feels like Christmas. It's Edinburgh's gearing up for Hogmanay, the New Year celebrations, so that should be pretty fun next couple of days. I'm gonna be getting back to work tomorrow on some writing that I'm finishing up this week, so that's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna have a busy week, but we've got some fun stuff ahead. Getting some morning snuggles?
Yeah. I think he's happy.
I think so. Mary went to take a shower and Archie has claimed his spot on the couch. Oh yeah, look at that.
We're at the train station and we just found a loose cart, and we're gonna go return it.
Get a pound! Nice!
I'm feeling like a winner.
And we're at the train station just to walk through, by the way. Here we go.
Taking it to its rightful place. Wait.
Does it not fit?
Does it not?
Oh, I think it goes in farther. There you go.
There we go. Okay.
Cha-ching! What are you gonna buy with that?
I don't know.
Go to Poundland.
Yeah.
Here we go. Wow, that is crazy.
Really? I can't. Oh yeah. Whoa, cool.
They must have just put that in this weekend.
That looks terrifying.
It does. I wonder what the
Let's do it.
what the other one is. Looks like there's people up at the top of that thing. You think it swings?
Oh, I don't know. That looks scary.
It does look scary.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Look what I found to buy with my pound. Silly mug. And it's only a pound. Woohoo! Thanks, cart.
Archie, are you... I have the worst hiccups right now. I've had them for like the last 20 minutes and they won't go away. What do you guys do? Leave a comment below. What do you do to get rid of hiccups? I used to be able to hold my breath. I can still hold my breath, but I used to be able to hold my breath and the hiccups would go away, but it's not working. But Archie was very excited that we're home.
Archie.
Archie.
Oh yeah, you just want
Oh,
snuggle.
you just want snuggle. You just missed us so much.
You just missed us.
These hiccups are getting pretty ridiculous. Man. Let me try again.
Your eyes are starting to pop out of your head. Get your water. work?
I think that worked. I think they're gone. I guess I couldn't hold my breath while I was walking. Oh! Oh, man.
Archie!
It's just like covering you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey guys, welcome to a special edition of Kinder Time Shoutout Edition. Today's shoutout goes to Lisa and Alan in England. They sent us a picture of their Kinder Time collection, and let me just tell you, they have some good ones.
And Lisa and Alan are special subscribers because Lisa also has CF and watches our vlogs, and so it's a special CF shout out.
Yeah. Alright. If this is the kangaroo, it's going to be really special.
Archie, do you think it's going to be a kangaroo?
It's going to be kangaroo, Archie? It's like, I'm sleeping, guys. Was this like on the oven or something?
It was on top of the microwave.
It's kind of squishy.
Oh, that's weird.
Really squishy.
Weird.
Do you want it?
Yes, please.
Oh, good. Oh, this is a good one, I think. All right. Oh, that's good.
What is it?
It's a turny over.
It's a turny over. We have this one, but it's a good one.
But it's a good one.
It's a
Kangaroo. Shark.
Shark.
That's good. That's really
So,
good.
it's not the kangaroo that we're waiting for, but
Oh, right. We should.
we need to clarify that. It's not the kangaroo, but it's a, what do we call these? Flippies?
Flipper overs or something.
Head flipper overs? I don't know.
It was a good one.
Yeah?
So if you guys have ever done Kinder Time,
Send us a picture.
send us a picture.
Mm-hmm.
And you might get a shout out.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, it's gonna go on the tree. Ready? You should probably watch the tree.
Okay.
Oh, man.
All right, leave a comment. How long do you guys leave up your Christmas decorations? Because I think we're going to go strong through like March or something. Not really, but at least for another month.
We'll see. Good night.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. We are getting ready for bed. Another day here in Edinburgh. Can you believe it? It's been over 4 months that we've been here.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And that means over 4 months that we've been daily vlogging. Isn't that crazy? 4 months here and gone. And, yeah. Tomorrow I head back to working at schoolwork. And New Year's is coming. So, we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.